Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix stuck and frozen Android phone screen. So if you have problem with your Android phone screen and get stuck because of usually the culprit is your storage is full, so your phone is doesn't work properly. So all you have to do when it's stuck, just hard reset. All you have to do just tap, just hold the power button and volume down button, so your phone will be hard reset. After your phone is reset, you can go to the settings and try to clear up some space on in your storage. For example, you can clean up your storage, or you can reset your phone, this one. So you can reset a system setting only, erase download apps and their data, or erase all data. I recommend you to back up first before erase all data of your phone. This is like factory reset. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.